Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply a visitor visa, or you can say online visitor visa or tourist visa also, for Rwanda. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this Rwanda Directorate General of Immigration and Immigration. So I have three options: general, information, transit, visitor. So I click on visitor. Okay. Now they have various categories. So if you're going for holiday purpose, it's this one. Now based on your nationality, you may not even need a visa. Okay. Click here to apply. Okay. So for visa application, I select visa application. Processing time 7 days. Price depend on the case provided by. Okay, fine. Now I'm gonna fill some sample details. You don't just copy me, you do it as per your own case. Yeah, he's asking for the visa type. So we have VE1 entry visa 30 days. So this V0. You are not required to apply for a visa online. At your arrival at the airport Rwanda, you can get an entry visa free of. Wow. If I change it to some other country, for example, wow. So many visas they are issuing for free. That's okay. So again, this was just based on like your situation. But anyway, we'll walk through the process that how it works. So once you select your country and visa type, you need to put your demographic details, surname. So I'm going to put some sample. You're going to do it as per your own case. Patient. Of course, you know your address and other things, other nationality. India does not allow dual nationality, so it's not. But yes, if you're citizen of a country that allows dual nationality and you have dual nationality, then you put that information. So then after this, travel details, proposed address in Rwanda. Like if you booked hotel and all, you can definitely do. Document number means your passport number. Check every detail that you enter at least 2 times, not just once. Proposed arrival date, the 2 week. Entry point. If you have booked, definitely, you know, more details about your visit, like what you do, well, any plan, anything that you want to do, or you have done booking, provide that information. First time in Rwanda, then yes. If you do know, it's gonna ask last visit and how long did you stay. collection of his wow contact details and phone number. You can change also here the code. Like if you're carrying, let's say, your Indian phone number, then you can do that. Email address, your email address. You need to photo with white background, passport, biodata, application letter. Okay. With this, you can go to the next summary and payments. In our case, it's zero. But like if you are from a citizen of a country that needs a visa, then you can definitely like follow this process. Yeah. So you got the process, guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.